অ্যাকাউন্টিং এর ব্যাপার ছিল। যদি এমন কিছু হয়ে থাকে, there should be thorough inquiry. Even state government can interfere into this matter. And BCCI also should interfere, should inquire what exactly has happened, why they started talking about 10 crores, 4 crores, 12 crores, 16 crores. Whatever is the matter, I think this needs thorough inquiry. And I also would like to draw kind attention of BCCI. Why non-cricketing people are getting opportunity to take the administrative position? This will not improve the quality of cricketing. We get to see in other forums people related to the field, they get the administrative post. They do administration of a particular forum so that any issues like journalism, people who are related with news, reporting and journalism, those people only take the administrative post. But in cricketing, right from BCCI to the state level Cricket Association, most of the administrative post goes to the non-cricketing. I think this is a wrong things happening in cricket. I would draw the attention of BCCI to really think about